Welcome back, Rich Nation. My name is AJ, and today we are starting Reincarnated Slime Season 2, Episode 1. The first season was amazing. Then we watched some of the OVAs and some extra episodes in between. So now we are fully on into Season 2. There will be no breaks. I was told that this Season 2 is split into 2 parts. So we won't get the second part, I guess, up to, I believe it was 12 episodes or 13. We won't get the other half until July or August or something like that. So when I'm done with this, because I will get done before, we're going to do about 2 episodes a week on this. We will do something in between, and then we'll do Season 2, Part 2, whenever it decides to come out, or maybe a little bit after it's started. Whatever the case is, we're continuing with the show. I appreciate you guys being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. You can also check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/AJRich123 if you want to watch these episodes uncut and early. Definitely check it out, and let's go ahead and start. Well, at first, everyone sees Rimuru as just some random slime that has no power. They definitely had the weirdest relationship beforehand, though. Being trialed to now being, you know, in alliance. That would be the hardest from the history with them. It's definitely would be a little awkward for him. He's definitely changed around completely, though, compared to how we met him at one of those type of clubs. Ooh. Any type of power that you demonstrate is going to get other countries and other alliances to really have to think about, how do they get that power? How do I get my hands on that type of power ourselves? Looks can be deceiving. I think that can't be shown as much as Milim. Shion's proud. This is how you get along with people. Smiles and booze. They're probably gonna want this now too. It's a good resource. This is how you utilize rune magic and the best of technology. Make your booze taste better. Wait, does that mean Rimuru can't get drunk? The AI just keeps getting rid of it over and over and over again? It's kind of sad. See, when you're in an alliance with somebody that might not be in an alliance with another group, when you have too many alliances, definitely need to be very careful. There are some kingdoms they've talked about, but we haven't really seen. So I wonder if that's going to be explored. This world really is huge. Oh, perfect place. Is drunk Shion the best Shion? She really has ridiculous confidence in Rimuru. God damn. I don't think she can handle her booze very well. Cuddle time? God damn. She definitely wants some. What could Rimuru give? Got that king hat and everything. The crown. Looks straight out of those slimes in Dragon Quest. Now that's what that looks like. The leader voice you gotta use. It doesn't matter whatever Rimuru says, at least the people that are loyal to him will clap. Which makes it really a natural alliance. Yeah, pretty much. He's saying that from the heart. And he's not doing it overly dramatic. Okay, that was a good speech. Gotta give Rimuru credit. He's gotten better at that. Could have gone worse. The fuck? So you have to scream to be a good one for him, I'm assuming. Not everybody is gonna agree with you. It's just not even possible. You can't please everybody. Yup, back to the interesting club. More slime and boobs. Oh yeah, Shion might not be super happy about this. They missed their slime buddy. You're all boingy. Oh damn. No comment? Kofta would be that guy that goes into a strip club and professes his love to every person. Well, it's because you met him in that form. You're there for one thing. Doesn't matter what you do, they're gonna say you're doing a great job. Gotta added pressure. Okay, drop the glass. Drop the glass, damn it. Now that's a first. Bleeding through the eyes and ears. Gotta strike those deals. There you go. Rimuru hustling in the club. You'll get 10% and you'll like it. Damn. Perceptive. Which I think is part of why a lot of people have followed Rimuru. He's really kind of made that come true. But what is normal? Well, you're not feeling the alcohol because you can't, so keep it on the down low from Shion. Okay, you thought about Shion, but you forgot about another that might not like what you're doing. Might be a little jealous, a bit. I think she's better at hiding it. So innocent! Why? Oh no. I bet you could have brought her, but I don't think things would have went down as well. Or was it Rimuru's idea? Only a little bit? I can tell by your tone and aura. They're kind of simps for him. There you go. That's a valid punishment. There we go. I'm okay with that. Yeah, actually. And it's not always going to work out. Oh, yeah, he's doing his own thing. Oh, is this the girl that was... Oh, that we saw the other episode. That's the wrong thing to say. I had a feeling this girl was gonna be, yeah. Right when they said they underestimated, you always know shit's gonna go bad when you underestimate somebody. Oh, God damn! Does that look like it was gonna make him throw up? Or suffocating him, maybe? So that's his weakness. Right, no, it's probably episode 1 or episode 2. We saw a green-haired girl that was with Clayman. I can't tell if it's I don't want to just assume because of the hair color. I'll probably have to look again, but I think that was the same person. And if it is the same person, then he's in a really bad position because you shouldn't be trusting her. But if it's a different person, because she doesn't really give me those bad vibes, at least from that presentation right there. But I mean, a lot of, people that have worked for Clayman usually don't, but usually they wear the mask and everything too. So maybe this is a different person. I don't know. But I will say, I feel like as we've seen kind of the last couple episodes, everything's kind of working out for Rimuru in the sense of, you would think you would never be able to form this many of alliances all at once and them all getting along with each other, because even like Gazelle was talking about like him not liking this other kingdom or this other place as well, and then talking about other places that he likes or doesn't like, and it just made me really think Rimuru really has it good, because normally when you form that many alliances, they're really hard to keep intact because of the other people's alliances with other people or hate and build up. So Rimuru's place is really about, I mean, camaraderie and trading and all that stuff. Like, he's been really building up this area and being able to trade with everybody. So obviously it's not like you would think he'd be, if any group could do it, it would be Tempest. And that, that's why it hasn't really been done, being able to have monsters and humans and everybody being able to be together in one town, is because of not everybody's in an alliance with them. But Rimuru has the best shot of doing it. It's just, I feel like overall that's super complicated to do. So I have to really give him credit. Shion and everybody else, I feel kind of bad for Rimuru because he really can't go off and do anything like that. It is kind of funny that he can't get drunk either, because the AI is just going to shut it off, like cancel it completely. Poison resistance, because this alcohol is poison. You're going to get drunk. So how can Rimuru have fun if everything that he does would get countered anyway when it comes to that type of stuff? So I guess he could technically say, like, couldn't he cancel it? Like, can't he technically say he doesn't want something done? I would think he'd have some type of control when it comes to that, but who knows? But yeah, good episode. It's been kind of a informative and kind of I feel like this is a very nice build up from the end of season 1. Now we're kind of seeing the things that were happening, at least from me, when he was leaving to go teach the students. We were seeing this type of stuff happening, and now it's kind of coming into fruition. So I'm really enjoying that. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. You can also check out these episodes early and uncut over on patreon.com/AJRich123. All my links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.